Chen Mo, stop bothering me. Without me, you'll stay single forever. Enjoy your bachelor life. Hello, Chen Mo? It's Su Qingxue. We need to meet. Years after that college night. And this is Niannian. Say hi to daddy. My kid? I got pregnant. I'm slammed at work. Chen Mo, please take care of her. She's my daughter. I'll raise her for free. Be good for daddy. Mommy will visit soon. Anywhere is fine with daddy. My heart ached. A warm feeling washed over me. Perfect life system activated. Master potsticker skills and storefront unlocked. Seriously? For her sake, this shop had to succeed. Want to go buy groceries? Yes, I want daddy's cooking. Let's go then. Daddy, I want this, and this too. Alright sweetie, let's go home and cook. Yay, yummy food. Daddy, look what I made. You're the best. Careful, my food is hot. Ouch, hot. So delicious. Better than Aunt Goo's. Aunt Goo? Her nanny? Daddy, when is mommy coming back? I miss her. Just eat up, sweetie. Bedtime. When is mommy coming? Soon. Time for a story. That night was a total accident, but she would never lie to me. As a man, I needed to give my daughter a real family. Daddy, are you abandoning me? Never. I'm just going grocery shopping. To make you delicious food. I want to help. Okay, you can come. But brush your teeth first. I'll be good and brush them now. Want to run the food stall with daddy? Yay. Will we earn money for new toys? I'll buy you whatever you want. Boss, 6 pounds of beef. Brought your little helper today? She's adorable. You're very handsome too, mister. Such a sweet talker. Here, take an extra ½ pound. Thank you so much. She was such a natural charmer. That's my girl. Daddy, what else do we need? Green onions, leeks, and eggs. Daddy, let me help. Careful, don't get your clothes wet. Daddy, I made a little moon for you. You are so sweet. Alright, time to open up. Help daddy put the sign outside. Got it. Hot delicious pot stickers here. Boss, got any ready? I'll take a pork order. Hurry, please. Coming right up. Careful, it's hot. Wow, this flavor is unbelievable. Forget viral spots. This is pure perfection. What garbage have I been eating for 5 years? Mister, does it taste bad? No, it's incredible. Boss, you're a legend. Pack me 2 more orders, pork and veggie. Niannian, it's too hot, but I want to help. My god, these are amazing. Boss, I need 4 more plates. Pack up 10 veggie and 10 pork for my dorm mates. I had no idea if she was worried about us. Then, she appeared outside Chen's pot stickers. Mommy, you're finally here. I missed you. Come watch daddy make pot stickers. Your daddy looks busy. Will we disturb him? It's fine. I help him cook all the time. Daddy, look, mommy's here. Hey, have you eaten? Niannian, take mommy inside to sit. Mommy, isn't daddy super awesome? I help too. You're the best. She really loves her daddy, huh? Eat up, I'll make more. Try it, mommy. Daddy makes the universe's best pot stickers. Wow, these are incredible. Let me help out. It's fine. Just relax. I'm almost done anyway. Sorry, Grandma Huang. We're totally sold out today. I'll save you some tomorrow. Chen, I'm not here for food. Raising a kid and working alone is tough. My granddaughter works at the library. I saw Su Qingxue frown, looking surprisingly uncomfortable. Daddy has a wife, Niannian chimed in. Mommy is right here and she's super pretty. Oh, sorry. I just assumed you were single. It's fine. You meant well. I'll leave you two alone. She didn't even try to correct the old lady. Was she catching feelings too? Work emergency? I gotta run. Take these pot stickers for the road. Bye, sweetie. Later, her friend asked about Niannian. He runs a food stall, she explained. Niannian adores helping him out. Really? Her friend gasped. But Chen Mo was a top student. Why is he slinging street food? Then she smelled my takeout. Wow, is this from that 5-star restaurant? It's incredible. No, it's not. Wait, did Chen Mo actually cook these? Yeah, her dad made them. Girl, you hit the jackpot. Food this good will definitely go viral. What about your strict diet? I need a full stomach to diet properly. Honestly though, Niannian is so young. She really needs her father around. You just want me for my pot sticker hookup. Nonsense. Would I sell out my bestie for amazing food? Then no more street food for you. No way. You take the romance, I take the food. Keep eating and you'll stay single. Fine by me. I guess I really wasn't so unapproachable after all. That evening, Niannian asked, Daddy, how much did we make today? Almost $1,500. Wow. How much is that? Can we buy tons of strawberries? We sure can. What about lots of ice cream? No ice cream, or your tummy will hurt. Daddy, when are you marrying mommy? The shop is still growing. I promise to give you both a better life. Just give me time. Later she texted, did she behave today? She just kept saying she missed you. I'll make time to visit more often. That's great. Niannian was absolutely thrilled. Daddy, is mommy visiting again? Yes, mommy said she'll visit more. Then she texted, your food is amazing. My friend loved it. Was she just being polite? Why is my heart actually looking forward to this? System, go ahead and start the prize draw. Ah, so, is spicy soup really this complicated? Niannian, wanna go buy some groceries with daddy? I'm gonna make you something brand new. Yay, let's go shopping. My mom says women should stay home and relax after marriage. Having babies is your main job. With your figure, you'll be great at it. Marry me, and I'll keep you living the high life. Sorry, we really aren't a good match. Chen Mo would never look at me with those eyes, let alone treat having kids like a cheap transaction. Mom says my second marriage makes me completely worthless. She says I just need a guy with money, so I bite my tongue. What on earth is Chen Mo doing right now? He never ignores my calls for this long. Daddy, are you sick? Mommy says sick people need their rest. Daddy's fine, sweetheart. We'll head back to the shop once we're done. Wow, Daddy, this giant pot is so huge. It's way taller than you. Haha, this little girl is absolutely hilarious. Daddy, it smells so incredibly good. Can we eat it now? We have to wait just a bit longer. I still need to add the special spices. Mommy, Daddy is boiling up some incredibly fragrant soup. I seriously can't wait. A delicious spicy soup? Do you want a quick taste? We just have to wait a bit longer for the flavor to fully come out, then our whole family can drink the soup together. Alright, you two go sit out front for a while. This kitchen is way too hot. Daddy, the soup just turned white. Is it ready to drink now? Ah, just a little while longer. Wow, it really smells absolutely incredible. I've drank spicy soup countless times in my life, but I've never had anything this fragrant. With the system's flawless recipe, how could it possibly be bad? Mommy, Daddy gave me a special present to hand to you. A present? Today is Valentine's Day. Mommy, Daddy told me to give you this right now. Wait a second. When did I ever prepare a rose for her? Ha ha ha. Excuse me, big sister. Could you give me one of your pretty flowers? Just one. Oh, you want to give this to your mommy, don't you? Alright then, I'll give you one. What exactly is her father up to? Thank you, Chen Mo. I really love the flower. Hey boss, I'm here to pick up my pot stickers. Let me tell you, did I arrive a little bit late tonight? Boss, your shop's business is absolutely booming. Not late at all. I kept your 3 orders of pot stickers right here. Boss, you're seriously the absolute best guy. Tomorrow, I'm going to bring all of my coworkers straight to your shop. His business is booming, yet he keeps his promises no matter what. Such a solid guy. Alright, I'll take a look. Boss, what are you cooking over there? It smells incredible. Is it something new? You'll be able to see it tomorrow morning. I have to wait until morning? Alright, I'm definitely waking up super early tomorrow. I absolutely have to taste this new dish. See, Mommy, I wasn't lying. Isn't Daddy just the absolute greatest chef? This little traitor has completely switched sides. Her mind is totally obsessed with her dad right now. I worried I made the wrong choice before, but it turns out blood really is thicker than water. You two are such a sweet and loving couple. Did you come? To keep your husband company at the shop? I'm so incredibly sorry about before. My foolish old self thought Chen was completely single. Oh, please don't worry about it, Grandma Huang. It's totally my fault for not making it clear sooner. By the way, Chen, what magic soup are you brewing? It smells heavenly. I just made a little spicy soup to test it out. Grandma Huang, why don't you take 2 bowls home to try? Oh, that would be absolutely wonderful. My old husband caught a whiff from the shop and was practically drooling. Chen Mo, this soup is genuinely incredible. I'm really glad you like it. I made quite a large batch today. Why don't you pack 2 bowls to take home? How much are you selling them for? Let me pay. No need. It's just a test batch. It'd be a waste if we didn't finish it. Well, next time, I'll bring you some other treats in return. Niannian, make sure you listen to Daddy's words, okay? Mommy will come visit you another day. Got it. Mommy, when you're free, please come see me nice and early. I know. Niannian, can you help? Daddy, clean up these empty bowls. Yes, sir. Niannian, this man right here is your father. The father of my child. I got pregnant after that night. My job is incredibly demanding. Chen Mo, please help me raise her. Daddy, can I eat this slice of cake? You can only have a tiny bit, alright? Okay, Daddy, this big piece is entirely for you. The rest can be saved for me to eat tomorrow. Is that okay? Daddy isn't going to eat it. Let's leave all the rest for you to eat tomorrow. Hooray for Daddy. I get to eat more cake tomorrow. Daddy, I've still never been to the amusement park. Ever since I brought her home, she's been stuck at the house or the shop. Grocery runs are her only trips. She's only 2. Do you want to go out and play? Yes, super bad. Then on my next day off, Daddy will take you to the amusement park, alright? Yay, Daddy's the greatest. Hey Su, you went to see your kid today, right? Tell me you brought back some pot stickers. They were completely sold out. But Chen Mo actually created a new spicy soup today. I managed to pack 2 bowls. A brand new recipe? Hurry up and let me try it. Oh my god, why does this smell so amazing? He's an absolute genius. Everything he makes is utterly delicious. Hey, that bowl is mine. Look, he's the father of your child. Whenever you want a bite, stop it. Don't talk nonsense. Keep teasing and I won't bring you any next time. Ooh, look who's blushing. Come on, Su. I'm serious. I think he's a really solid choice. He's incredibly grounded, and the key is, he treats your daughter wonderfully. Plus, his cooking is completely out of this world. Good men like him are incredibly rare. Don't play dumb with me. You totally had a crush on him in college. Don't think I didn't notice. A heavyweight drinker like you, getting blackout drunk at a party and hooking up with him? The only logical explanation is that you did it willingly. Listen, if you don't step up and make a move, someone else is going to snatch him right up. I've handled million-dollar contracts without breaking a sweat. So why is one simple text message making my heart beat right out of my chest? Niannian wants to go out with mom and dad. I'm not sure if you're free, but I'm off in 2 days. What if we took her to the amusement park together? Sounds perfect. See you then. Haha, I finally beat the rush and got here first. Boss, let me get 6 orders of pot stickers, 4 meat, 2 veggie. Oh, and grab me a bowl of that new soup, coming right up. Just a second. Ah, hot. Boss, this spicy soup absolutely hits the spot. Mister, my daddy says you're supposed to drink this soup with tiny little sips. Let me show you how it's done. Haha, this little girl is way too adorable. Sweetheart, leave the customers alone while they eat. But I'm not bothering him, right, mister? Tell him I'm not. Oh, you're absolutely fine. Listen to me. I gave birth to a beautiful daughter. I didn't raise you just to struggle in poverty. I set you up with that rich Mercedes boss, and you completely blew it. Is your monthly allowance seriously not enough? Mother, that guy was incredibly creepy and sleazy. With his bank account, who cares? You just hate being wealthy. Hey, what's going on? Chen Mo, it's me. Are you free tomorrow? Let's talk. I can't. I'm taking my daughter out for the day. Daughter? How long have we even been broken up? Where'd you get a daughter? You're making this up just to piss me off. You're just trying to make me completely jealous. Niannian, this man right here is your father. The father of my child. I got pregnant after that night. My job is demanding. Chen Mo, please, help me raise her. Hey handsome, you're looking really good today. Do you have a girlfriend? Want to exchange socials? Hey, my daddy has a wife. You can't just give his number to random girls. It's strictly off limits. Oh, I'm so incredibly embarrassed. I had no idea you had a kid. Daddy, what time am I seeing mommy tomorrow? Didn't we set a time already? Daddy's hands are full right now. Can you message mommy and set up a time for tomorrow? Okay, mommy, a mean lady tried to Dad's spaceship, but I chased them all away. Isn't Niannian super awesome? Oh, Dad said mom should stay over tonight, and tomorrow we'll all go to the amusement park. Susu, I knew you haven't eaten yet. Take a quick break and grab food. It is Chen Mo. Dad said mom should stay over tonight. Tomorrow we are heading out to the amusement park. Staying at his place? Chen Mo works fast. Susu, hurry back with me. I've got some special things for you. Asking me to stay over. Anyone else, I would have instantly said no. But why am I not disgusted by the idea at all? Wait, what things? Duh. The absolute essentials for sparking up some romance. Baby daddy, I am here. Ahahaha. Mom, you made it. This little rascal totally faked my orders. Way too bold. Thank God Qingxue is not mad. I am here. The shop sold out. If you are okay with it, I can cook for us at home. That is fine. But is my staying over intruding? Not at all, if you do not mind. Heading home. Going home with mommy and daddy. The place is a bit small. Please excuse it. I assumed a single dad's house would be messy. Never expected it to be this spotless. Her dad actually looks pretty handsome while cooking. Daddy's food is so yummy. Mommy and daddy are eating together, just like the romantic couples on television. He is so gentle and attentive. How did they ever end up getting divorced? Niannian wants to sleep with mom and dad tonight. Niannian, you will sleep with mom tonight, alright? Be a good girl. Mom will stay with you today. No, on television, moms and dads always share a bed. Niannian sleeps in the middle. Oh god, if I stay any longer. That crazy girl Lin Weiwei actually packed me this sheer sleepwear. Chen Mo, can I borrow a shirt? I will grab one for you now. No wonder everyone loves the boyfriend shirt trend. It really looks good. Wow, mommy looks so pretty in daddy's clothes. Niannian, bedtime. Dad will tell a new story. Yay, story time. Once upon a time, a little duck loved playing in the water. Daddy and mommy are going to be together soon. I want to ride the mini train and the carousel. Ha ha ha. Hello, who is this? Hello, Boss Chen. Why is the shop closed today? We waited all morning. Took the kid out today. I will open this evening if there is time. Otherwise, another day. Your business is booming. It is just the customers being super supportive. Speaking of which, Niannian actively asking to go out makes me so happy. Chen Mo, thank you for making her more lively. Niannian, it is afternoon. We should go grab some food first, alright? Mom, Niannian has played enough. Let us go back and watch Dad open his shop, okay? Sure, whatever Niannian wants. Daddy, hug, ha ha ha, today. Thanks for coming along. Once the shop opens, I cannot entertain you. Completely fine, I am happy just to watch. Haha, Uncle Zhang. Niannian is here to buy meat. Oh, little Niannian, why are you here so late today? Today Niannian visited the amusement park with daddy and mommy. Oh my, this is Boss Chen's wife? No wonder Niannian is so sweet and cute. Totally takes after mom. Absolutely gorgeous. Boss Chen is a lucky guy, having such a beautiful wife. See, I told you, Niannian is so cute. The mom could not be anything less. No matter which side of him I look at, he is always this dazzling. Let me carry some of those for you. Just hold on to Niannian's hand so the kid does not wander off. Do not worry, Dad. Niannian will not get lost. This man really seems pretty incredible. Eat up. You must be starving. Sit and eat with us. You guys start. I will eat in the back while cooking. Mom, Dad works so hard. Yes, your dad works very hard. I knew his food stall was a hit, but I never expected it to be this packed right at opening. Mom, let us go help Dad. He cannot handle it all alone. Okay, thank you. Everyone, please line up nicely. Boss lady, your daughter is way too adorable. Being called that title actually feels kind of nice. Little Chen. I was wondering why the aroma today felt so joyful. Turns out, your wife and kid are here helping. Grandma Huang, what are you having today? The usual. Get me 2 bowls of spicy soup and 2 orders of pot stickers. All right, Grandma Huang, coming right up. Tired? Drink some water and take a breather. Turns out I've actually liked him for a long time. That woman named Xiumeng, why on earth did she ever leave him?